We just got a new fridge freezer and I didn't realise how passive aggressive and controlling modern appliances have become. Let me show you what I mean. When you open it up here and it tells you that this is the fresh box, that's for like vegetables, and then down there is fish and meat, and those labels aren't removable. So every time I put something in there that's not fish or meat, that's going to annoy me. If I store any meat things there, that's going to be out of sync, and that's because of health and safety, and you're not supposed to have the meat above there. But all that makes me want to do is just put a load of mince into that drawer, preferably that's dripping. Obviously, as a result of this, I'll probably get food poisoning, but I'm not going to have a fridge tell me what to do.